chef cook dinner tonight? Hey, Nikki. He's hiding. Yum. Hello. Hello, everyone. So you all know my mum. This is my Auntie Andrea. And then this is Yaya Poppy. So we're making tsurekia for Greek Easter, which is next week. So this is like one of the first. How cute is it? So I totally missed making the dough, but I'm going to be here for the plaiting of the dough. And these are some of the eggs. Alright, let's go. So my mum's learning how to use Insta Story.
Should have seen her on Saturday night. Very cute.
We thought you learnt, Mum.
Oh,
from Paris.
But we need to refresh ourselves.
Oh, you're in the same dress.
Longer.
Oh, and is that right? It's already shared. Or I have to press
No,
it?
share.
How's it going, Iya?
Very good.
Are they going well?
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna do the next tray. I'm gonna do one on the next tray.
Of course.
Hello, Papu.
Γεια σου Αφιρούλα. Welcome home. Σιγά, άσε με και είμαι κουρασμένος. Θα μυρίζω ψαρίδα τώρα.
Through the camera.
Πώς πάμε?
So I'm gonna make a tsureki now with my Iya. You're gonna help me because.
Of course, I'm here for you.
So what's the first step? Even though I've done this for a million years. Oh, okay, I can do that. Fun. Roll, roll, roll. Is that good?
Twice longer.
Twice longer. It's getting.
And then cross.
Okay.
The cross.
Like okay. I'm just gonna try and make it longer. Oh shit.
That's it.
We'll just. Sorry. It's supposed to be a G-rated vlog. Okay. It's like plaiting hair. It's okay, Mum. We'll be really skinny in that section. Is this right? Why do they look so thin?
You twisted it too many times.
We have to do with blusa.
Okay. Oh, hang on. Let's redo this. Hang on.
No.
It's not lost yet. It's not lost yet. Bad enough. My Iya doesn't want me to be bad at this. She secretly wants me to be really good. Okay. Is this good, Len?
Yes.
Okay. Now we're going to go for a fat, loose plait.
It's no long enough. So you need to short.
Third time lucky.
The looser.
And one more time.
One more time.
One more time?
Yeah. Yeah. That's it. That's
Oh, yay. We got there.
it. See, you done it.
Okay. Do we put the egg in now?
Yeah. That's it.
I can do that. Oh my god. This is looking so fab. It started off really bad. Okay. Now I'm going to make it cross. I feel like I'm being judged because there's like an audience right now. It's like under pressure.
For first time, you done a good job. That's enough. Okay.
I love it.
I'm gonna hang on. Is that alright?
That's it.
I'm going for the rustic look. It's not supposed to be even.
So you do it long enough from here to there.
Yeah. Alright, let's get this.
Maybe that's too skinny. Fare λίγο ακόμα ζυμάρι.
You reckon too skinny?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because that little bit made a difference.
I just added the tiniest bit. Alright, here we go. And oh wait, what happened at the bottom? Mine looks like it wants to grow longer. Alright, hang on. I'm gonna add this. I'm not the fastest cook in the world.
That's it.
Alright, there we go.
Okay.
This one's gonna be
You
finished.
have to put it here.
And this is how you make a tsureki. Okay, this is the bit I'm actually really talented at. I've been doing this for like 10 years. Here you go. Oh, Iya's helping me a little bit slow. So do I pass the test, Iya?
Of course you do. For first time, it's perfect.
Everyone's a winner in Iya's house. Liz, can we have like multicolored tsureki?
If you want to, you can
That
do
would be
anything
so
you
fun.
like. But that's the tradition.
Yeah!
Unicorn
It can have a horn coming out of there.
Or just instead of almonds, we'll sprinkle it with glitter.
Oh, hundreds of thousands! I think we're onto something here. Rainbow tsurekia. Has anyone done it? Leave a comment if you have. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay, I'm officially done now, and I'll bring the camera over to show you what it looks like. So I'm just gonna flip it like this. All finished. Just as good as me.
I'm a natural. Oh my god, it was crooked.
That's alright.
Oh,
Too bad there's not a tsureki shop you can buy it from. I think actually mine's looking way better than yours, love. here.
Συγγνώμη, αυτό τα βγω τι έχει εκεί.
Yeah, yours is like the star. Hers is the middle one. So Yaya likes to put them in this electric blanket so they can viscosi, so they can get big in Greek. That means speeds up the process. Little tsoreki hack. We're doing a Nutella tsoreki. How exciting! Oh, this looks technical. I don't think I'll be doing a demonstration of this one.
And then fold.
Oh my god, they're like so big. Oh, they're so big. I'm at my florist and styling appointment and I'm with Geraldine here. So she's the owner of Bouquet Boutique and I'm just going to move the camera over and this is Athena from Celebrating in Style. So we're going to give you, oh my mum's here too guys. Liz is back. Where is she? There she is. So we're just going to give you a little insight into what I'm doing, a little sneak peek.
Florals for that.
Yes.
So let's start with that.
Okay.
Now what date is that one?
That is the 24th of June. So I'll get those flowers up.
I've got your draft floor plan.
Oh, awesome. Oh, from Fiona?
Yeah, so kind of we're working
Yeah,
with that
the
with
year.
people seated on both sides if you're happy.
Yeah, so that's what it's kind of going to be like the bridal, like all the bridesmaids there.
Yeah, all the important people, yeah.
And then yeah, so this will kind of
she's shown that as the riverside of the long room. And this is the Queen Street side. Okay, so you're facing out that direction.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
yeah, and then
How many people?
roughly it's very Greek. 111. I'm going with your other friends. 100.
So about 150.
Okay, I wanted 30 people. Shani wanted. So yeah, gonna be super Greek in that sense.
I had 120 turn up. I get it, it's cool.
Yeah. It's like crazy. And I was telling my friend, it is fun, but it's a lot of people. And the thing is, you can't actually, unless you just had, couldn't even just have immediate family because his immediate family is like 50.
Is that many people?
So it's like,
Yeah.
it's crazy.
Okay.
So the flowers.
So we're having seated plated food.
It's gonna be
high tea.
a high tea, and then we're gonna do like so the colours are like pinks, like pastel pinks.
You really want to, I would probably try and amp up this space as much
Yeah.
because it's such a big room, and to give it like really good effect,
Yeah.
I'd just be focusing on
And I think this is
Yeah.
where you're spending the time anyway.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so true.
yeah.
So I was like, if there was extra, maybe like
So just a big mass, don't
yeah.
pink
Yeah,
flowers.
and I don't mind like the white and a little bit of like.
I think it light.
Yeah.
I think
Yeah.
you need that for like a bit of light and shade.
Yeah.
This is very dusty. See how it's got
Yeah.
these kind of really antique ones in it? You
I love
like
it.
that
Yeah.
dustiness?
I think it's really cool.
Yeah, so it's very soft pink.
Yeah,
Yeah.
I really liked it. I thought it was really pretty.
I think it'll come down to how many
High tea stands.
how many high tea stands.
Yeah.
I think if there's a lot of them, you just keep them all the same.
Yeah,
If they're doing one per four person, you just do it all the same. Otherwise, there's too many things going on.
yeah,
If it's like a little bit more spread out, then I think you might need the kind of two
Yeah.
different shaped
Mhm.
cylinder
Yeah.
shapes and the same kind of
yeah,
picture, same sort of flowers in there, and then just do a bigger one in between that.
yeah.
Yeah, we can all speak.
With the flowers at the end of it, are you going to want to be taking them and giving them away as gifts to people?
Will they just take them anyway? Like we do it for engagement?
Well, sometimes
It's just because we'll just have to put them in a vase and know that we can price up the vase just to go. Do you know what I mean? If people want to take them.
sometimes they do take them.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
They give them.
Well, no,
No, but sometimes you might want to give it to an
They'll
auntie
take-
or someone. Oh,
No.
this is for you to
Yeah.
take.
They
away.
won't
Sometimes
even
they
ask.
do.
I'm actually pretty chill with bouquets, whatever you reckon. Like the only thing to me is white. So
Okay.
yeah,
Yeah, beautiful. We'll come up with something amazing.
yeah, whatever you think goes with. Yeah, I'll.
Compliment it. You don't want it to be a statement piece because it's about you in the dress.
Oh
And
no,
it-
definitely. I don't want it to take away. That's like I love those big ones. I was thinking for like one photo.
Yeah.
I know they're not like practical. Okay guys, so we're going for a bridesmaid fitting, our first one. These are some of the bridesmaids. Two are missing. We haven't got Tina and Charlotte here. We've got Nina over here, who's Nick's god sister. Sapph, my god sister. So wog, hey? We've got Sapph and Penny. You all know Penny. Alright, let's go, guys.
Let's go.
Hi, Charlotte. So this is Charlotte. She was missing. We've been like friends since we were 3. And the maid of honor, Tina, she was missing before too. So she's here as well. So
You guys get this the whole way down.
nah. So everyone is here, all 6 of them. So we're just picking the fabrics. It's very confusing. Well, for me it is.
See that?
Oh.
That's the matte silk. That's what we have.
Oh, okay, now it's making sense.
Make a decision.
Okay. So I think we're gonna go with this one, but on the like non-stringy side. Oh, and more. Oh, so many colours. What colour are we choosing? We don't even know what colour we're going with.
Oh god.
Hot pink for everyone. We let you guys in on a little secret. It's hot pink.
First fitting. Stop staring at me, please.
Yeah, there.
Because
Because you want like a little bit, like you don't want it to be.
And then again, with the shoes, what sort of heel you will be?
Kind of like I don't know how 6 inches. Is that normal?
Like so,
Okay,
11 centimeters usually.
That's fine.
Something like
So
you.
maybe 4 or 5 inch. 5?
Yeah.
5
Say
inch.
centimeters would.
So yeah, 10, 11. Yeah, 10, 11.
Yeah.
Okay. Lift yourself up. You do
Cool.
it like you.
I don't actually know
I'm
that.
painful right now.
That's fine.
Do you have that thing
That's it.
when you can like actually see yourself?
It's wearing that ankle, see?
Penny.
You need a thing.
And then-
Don't wear any
Yeah.
heels
You
before
can go
July.
Tell me, okay, if you do lift yourself again, like you do have like
55 there. Yeah.
that 55.
We should either. What if it's raining? We should get like something at the bottom.
we can
Like a ribbon, so that you can cut
with the
off.
same fabric.
Yeah.
I'll do that for you, so
do
you can
that?
just put it
Yeah.
in your clothes.
Good idea. Yeah. Good hustle. Because I'm going to be tripping over each other. Hey! She just got fitted. See, wasn't that scary? Was it scary?
A little bit.
I feel like you stay like that. I don't care. Like, it's a chill day.
I love it. It's so good.
I feel like I need it. Like,
Look at this skinny mini.
Oh, Penny.
This is the sister of the bride.
Are they my shorts? Oh, okay.
We bought them a day apart.
Okay.
Oh, like that.
I was just like, yeah.
They look familiar.
Yeah, we bought them a day apart without knowing.
Oh, stunning.
Cute.
I'm like Svetlana's screensaver.
Amazing.
Himself to the wedding.
I love that.
In their own car, like whatever they have, like a Mazda.
Seriously? I drove to my wedding and crashed.
That's cool. That is so
My anxiety would be so.
That's a really cute playsuit.
Very cute.
Where's it from?
You get her everything. I'm like, it was embarrassing.
Yeah, got it.
I don't think I've seen
shop
shop
there.
there.
It's a nice place to live.
I'm in.
Just doing a bit of bridesmaids shoe shopping.
No, thank you.
So Sapph, what are we looking for?
This is really difficult. Shoe shopping.
So many options.
With 6 girls. Yeah, it is. Because everyone's got different tastes. 3, 8, 7.
Oh yeah, stunning. Penelope, I think we found them.
Look up shoe shops. I'm going to look up shoe shops in Acton.
Look at how organised our bride is.
Oh, they got like, oh yeah.
This is our indecisive bride.
Oh my god, that was intense in there. I felt like she was violating me. She was so forceful.
We literally ran out that Nina's shoes are still undone. Hey guys. Instagram. How are we feeling?
We're slowly losing our patience, looking for shoes.
Just wedding planning. Doing the list for the bridal shower, just making sure I didn't forget anyone. I forgot like no one actually. Lucky. And we're calling my yah. No one answered, hey?
No, she's not.
We're gonna call my yah because Nick thinks someone's put the bad eye on him. He's had a headache all day. So we will call her back. Writing lists is so difficult. Look at this, guys. 116 people at the bridal shower. and 4 children. And yes, half of it is actually family. Guys, so these are my invites. So my hens, that's the back of it. This is the front. And then my bridal shower, this is the front. And then just like the plain crystals is the back. Hang on, just for security reasons, I'm just gonna cover where it's where all the details of where it's being held. But that's the back. And this is the front of the hens party invites. And then for the bridal shower, again, I'm just covering the dress a little bit. This is the front, and then that's the back. How cool. So we all know that I love crystals. So the theme of the hens is Sapp's Secret. And on the Saturday night, so that's the night where everyone will be coming, everyone will have to wear millennial pink. So if you Google that, it's all like the new nude pink tones and blush tones that are really in at the moment. So I'm real excited.